In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily search Facebook account by phone number. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then go to menu. On menu, tap right here, add that gear to head over to settings and privacy. And then tap somewhere here to go to Meta Account Center. Once it is done, scroll down a bit until you find your information and permissions. And that's where, at the very bottom, you will find Upload Contacts. You need to tap at Upload Contacts, select your Facebook account, and here ensure that this option is activated. If it is not activated, and then if people in your phone book are on Facebook, you will see them in your recommendations. To do that, just head over to Friends. Down below here we can find the section that is called People You May Know. Here we got the list of users, and this list is based on many factors, including uploaded contacts from your contacts book on your iPhone. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.